Much allow me to give. Thank you, Your Excellency, for granting us this opportunity to come and meet you. Actually, this is my second request of audience. My first one, I wanted to invite you to Côte d'Ivoire for the AFCON. Unfortunately, I couldn't. And today I'm here for three purposes. One is about the development of the land that have been given to Côte d'Ivoire in Maitama.
Okay.
We received a letter from you in November giving us a period to develop the area. And I'm very pleased to tell you that we are about to start the work. We were given here in Nigeria 2 mainland, one at the Diplomatic Drive area and one at Maitama. We have built our chancery, big building in Diplomatic Drive. And I will be happy to receive you one day to visit this. And we are about now to start the coming winds, the Maitama one. That is the first reason for that I'm here. If you allow, I can continue. The second reason, we receive also from you a request about payment of tax, ground rent, and also, what is the other one? The sewage taxes.
Sewage?
Yes.
Property?
Yes. Okay. Your Excellency, we were a little bit confused when we received this request, because it's the first time we received that. And I wrote to you a letter recalling that there are diplomatic conventions based on the Vienna Convention that exempt diplomatic areas from tax payment. It's the same for Nigeria, diplomatic lands in Côte d'Ivoire. And I wrote to you a letter to recall you and to please ask you to comply with this convention. I also wrote to the Minister for Foreign Affairs. That is the second area. The third purpose is about cooperation between Côte d'Ivoire and Nigeria. You know, Nigeria is the biggest country in the region, even the continent. And Côte d'Ivoire also is the biggest country in Francophone countries. And our mission here is mostly to strengthen cooperation between the two countries in different areas. And we are doing a lot. And I wanted to come to you to make a proposal. The proposal of twinning Abuja with the political capital of Côte d'Ivoire, that is Yamoussoukro.
Yamoussoukro.
Yes. I want to do the proposal. I will formalize it by a letter and to let you consider it and now find a way forward. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Your Excellency, let me, on behalf of your team, and let me also apologize that we had to schedule it one instead of 12 because of the urgency that I was required to see the Vice President in the Vida. Let me also thank you for the developing the land that was given to you. The whole essence of why we request that is that fighting insecurity, we did not want to leave certain areas for miscreants. And so we thank you for the support. Let me also say that that of issue of tax will be waived. I will call the authority that's responsible to see that we cooperate with you on this issue. I know that the Minister of Foreign Affairs have told me this, that the same thing applies to them and the other countries where they operate, so that should not be an issue. Thirdly, on the issue of cooperation is very important, that there is a need for us to cooperate among African countries, among ECOWAS countries, that understanding. So I'll be glad when I see the proposal for us to see how we can have a relationship between Abuja and the Yamoussoukro, which is the political capital of Côte d'Ivoire. And let me also congratulate you of winning the African Cup of Nations, even though we are not particularly, that was not what we wanted. We wanted to come back home, but God has said it is your own turn. So let me congratulate you for that and for being a good host in that tournament. We will continue to strengthen our relationship. Luckily, our president is the chair, and so we'll do everything we can to see that our relationship is smooth, is cordial, so such a way that there will be a symbiotic relationship. If there are things you think we should do, do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, we'd like to
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Yes, what I'm calling the situation. Yes. Thank you very much.